Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about final expense insurance. So many of you know that I have a marketing and financial brokerage. And what we do is that we provide financial education, financial planning, financial services, and career opportunities. But today I want to talk to you about final expense insurance and why it's important that you should own it. I'm going to give you an example of what's the average funeral cost depending on your zip code. So we're going to use something called our price finder. And what I'm going to do is put in the zip code right here. Once we put in that zip code, we're going to hit search. Once the search is complete, it's going to give you all the different options of funeral homes and it's going to be able to see all the prices. So I selected all of them just to run a price comparison. Now it gives us options to where we could see the price for a funeral, a cremation with memorial service, or just a direct cremation. As you can see, these are all the different prices for all the different services that they offer. But when you come down to the very bottom, you can see that the average funeral cost is roughly around 10,000 to 11,000, even upwards of 13,000, depending on the funeral home that you choose. The good thing about us, we have access to all the funeral homes that's within your zip code, and we could tell you what's the price and the cost for everything within their services that they offer. So now we come over here and we structure a plan. We structure a plan to see, well, how much coverage one need if they're 30 years old, male, non-smoker, and we're looking for immediate coverage. And we're going to look for coverage of around 25,000. And if they have children, about $9,000 coverage for for all three of their kids. So for someone that is 30 years old, looking for $25,000 in coverage and $9,000 in coverage for each child, that was only about $46.58 every month. Now we're going to take $46.58 and then we're just going to divide it by 30. That means that you are now able to put away $1.55 every day for the next 30 days just to afford $46.58 for $25,000 in protection that could pay out within 48 hours of you passing. And just to give you some context, all you have to do is answer all of these questions here to determine if you qualify. No blood or urine is required, and you don't have to get no physical. All you have to do is complete all of these questions here just to see if you qualify. So if you would like to see if you qualify for final expense insurance that could cover you all the way from age 0 all the way to age 100, and this could give you protection even if you are 85 years old, we could protect you as well. And once again, no blood or urine is required. All you have to do is just get the number right here, text final expense, and I could get you a quote today. And just so you know, what also comes with this final expense, if you are approved, you also get a free complimentary will prep where you can put together your will, your power of attorney, your healthcare directive, and you can prepare all those documents and you can start putting away all your wishes when it comes to your funeral and the future things as well. So guys, once again, all it takes is $1.55 every day for you to have $25,000 in protection, and you could literally avoid probate. And you can even help your family avoid those GoFundMes and fish fries. You don't want to do that to your family. That's embarrassing. We live in today's society where it don't even take a medical. Answer 9 questions and you know you're approved right on the spot. Text the number, final expense right now.